Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on MyChart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in mychart.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official MyChart website. Now just click on the Access MyChart button and you will be asked to enter your country or your state. Just choose your country and choose the associated healthcare facility. You will see the sign up button at the right side. Go ahead and click on it and this will take you into the sign up page. Once you are inside the sign up page of your healthcare provider, just fill up the entire form, including all of the information that is asked. Enter your first and your last name, followed by your address and your date of birth, your sex, your preferred email address for login, followed by your phone number. After entering all of these information, click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity and then click on next button. You will then need to verify your account through your email address or your phone by entering the verification code. After you enter this code within the next screen, you will be allowed to set up a password for your account. Just type in your desired password for your account and click on the sign up or register button and your account will be officially created on MyChart. You can now use these credentials to access your newly created account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on MyChart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.